Hello friends, this is Timmy. Today we are in the zoo. Let's look at the animals that live here together. Animals are amazing. Let's keep learning and caring for them. Bears love cozy naps under shady trees before wintertime. Zebras' stripes are like magical camouflage in the grasslands. The giraffe reaches the tastiest leaves with her super long neck. The lion is brave and strong, the true king of the savannah. Monkeys swing, jump, and play all day long in the jungle fun. Penguins waddle, slide, and swim in their icy wonderland.
Roar like a lion, swing like a monkey, waddle with penguins, dance with the donkey. At the zoo we learn and play, let's have fun the Timmy way. At the zoo we learn and play, let's have fun the Timmy way. At the zoo we learn and play, let's have fun the Timmy way.
Thank you for listening. I will see you next time for another story. Bye-bye.